Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design. Today I am doing the May prompt for one little word. Now if you've seen my other videos recently, you'll know that I'm dealing with a face injury, and I did a lot of this project that I was going to do. I was going to like handwrite it, I was going to do all of this stuff. I just need something easier right now. So what I've done is I've gone into Canva and I've made a double page spread here, as you can see. So I'm just going to cut those out, and then that will be my opening page for that. I'm going to put that there. That's literally the packaging from one of the things that I got from Ali Edwards. This is one of the printables from the May prompt, which was to be surprised and delighted where your word pops up for the month. And so this is just something that I found in Canva. I might put a little bit of patterned paper on there as well, just to fill in the space. So then we're going to go into this. I might put something on here, I might not. Then we're going to have the double page spread. This was, again, this photo is one that I took in my office here as I set up my watercolor area. I've got the May mantra. That is from the Ali Edwards One Little Word downloads for the month. Same as this, the treasure hunt, that was from this month. And then I've got some journaling here. I've just put it on, straight on the photo, printed it out. That's all done. My plan then is to do a double page spread. And what I'm going to do is, last year in the Ali Edwards kit, we got these numbers. Now I used one of these. Apparently I've used number 5. And I'm like, I've got some flowers and things as well. So what I decided to do was I'm just going to use a different thing for number 5. Again, don't overcomplicate it. It doesn't need to be complicated. And then what I'm going to do is I have a photo, I have the journaling, and then I have the number. And then all I'm going to do is put those together, put a brad through the top, and then I can have the journaling and then just slide up like this. And we will have 1 through 10 here. This is the artwork from Ali Edwards for the month, for the downloads. Again, she provides a lot of downloads. So, you know, it's a good kit to get. It's a good class, is what I will say, to get if you're interested in printables and stuff like that. She gives out a lot of like word printables and stuff like that. So yes, this is all from the printables for that. And then I got enough room for 10 on here with this. So that is the plan. That is the plan. And I have to say, I cut these, I made them in Canva, like just as a circle, put the text or the photo in. And then after I measured the circle, clearly, but then I cut them on my Cricut. It's the first time that I've been using my Cricut for something other than printing stickers. The first time in a long time is what I will say. So let us begin. I'm going to go and cut these, and then I'll be right back. All right, we're back. I have successfully cut out this. Again, this will just be a little flip insert. And then I'm going to use these on the top and the bottom, or the top and the bottom, you know what I'm saying. And yeah, those will go there. These are just papers from Dollar Tree. You don't need anything exciting and fancy. That's all you need. So I think we're going to put those on there. So when I'm doing this project, or my project life, I generally have my paper trimmer off to the side here, just so that I can trim anything down as I go. So yes, I want you to let me know how you're doing. How you're doing. I'm doing okay. Again, just my face is, just that my face is a bit wonky. A little bit wonky. Other than that, I'm doing okay. But yeah, I just wanted to do something a bit more, I'm going to call it non-stickery this month. Non-stickery. Because that is definitely a thing. Non-stickery. That's going to go there. And then, so we need it about there. Okay. But yeah, something non-stickery. I needed something a bit more interactive. And that's what I keep saying about these projects. They're giving me a bit more satisfaction because they're more three-dimensional. And I'm talking about satisfaction in the creative sense, like because they're just more fun. They're just more fun. I may put some washi on this. I don't know yet. I'm going to hold off on that. But again, here I'm combining so many things. I've got photos, I've got memories, I've got journaling that is specific to me. And then I've got, cross a bit, come on, there we go. And then I've got interactive stuff. I've got packaging, Dollar Tree items, stuff from the kit from last year. Like I just want more fun things. All right, so that is first page. I'm thinking about that actually now as the opener. I'm going to see. I'm going to hold off on punching that until I've decided. And then that will lead to here. That will lead to here. See, I'm thinking about that way. I'm thinking about that way. Again, this is just the packaging that Ali sends out, the envelope that she sends out her kits and stuff in. There's like a few different kits. Like her packaging is so good. So good. Like you can tell that she's a crafter because you can reuse all of the packaging and stuff. That's going to go on there. And then make sure that that is away. Which way do I want that? That way or that way? I think that way. Yeah, that way. Oh, let's put it the right way up then. Let's put it the right way up then. That would help. And then if I need to, I can trim that down a little bit, which I think I do. I'm just going to do it with scissors because it's easier and ain't no one got time for that. And it's cardstock, so it's heavy cardstock, so it's harder to cut with a knife. Yes, I'll do it with scissors, and then I've got a little bit there, which is awkward to get to. Okay, there we go. That can go there. Put that back. That will be there. This one would be here. And that doesn't quite line up, but we'll just ignore that. That will be there, and then I need the red cardstock on there. Yes, I need to trim that a little bit as well, which of course I do. Adhesive. Just don't get caught up in things is what I will say. And this is the first time I'm doing this without a voiceover because I don't have time. I don't have time to do a voiceover today. I do not have time. So hopefully, oh God, look at that. My hands are filthy. I've got so much ink and stuff on my hands. So much ink. And then we'll just cut that a little bit there. You might just leave that and just deal with it. I can't. I can't. I can't. All right, and then this is going to be the exciting bit because, and this I just, again, made in Canva. Hang on, I'm just wiping my hands off. And I just did a full, like, letter size sheet because I knew that I wanted my circles on here. And then I had a gap and I'm like, let's just put that in the gap. Okay, so I'm going to put the photos in first. I'm going to put the photos in first. I'm going to move them around a little bit, see where I want them. I'm just kind of thinking about colors right now. Like I know I don't want that yellow next to that. And I'm just guessing, I'm just eyeballing where they're going to go. Yeah, there we go. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Now, yeah. So I'm going to put the little journaling, and when I did the journaling on these, I left space at the top where I knew the brad was going to go through so that I could still read it. These brads I bought back in, they're very tiny. I kind of like those. I bought back in, I want to say December, end of December, when I made a Michaels order for my planners. I need 10 because I knew that I wanted them for projects like this. Now I just need to decide, do I want the journaling there or do I want the photo there? I think the journaling. Please cast your vote. I think if I put the, let's do that one the other way and then we can decide. If I put that there, it's like you can't see the number as well, I think. So I'm going to put the journaling there. Yeah, we're going to do it that way. We're going to do it that way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put all of these together. Like put the photo the right way up. Put the journaling on top. Put this on top of here. And then I will get a tool. Very expensive tool. You don't need a paper piercer. What you need is a thumbtack. What you need is a thumbtack. You don't need a paper piercer. I mean, you can get one, but just get a thumbtack. This is just a eraser. I'm going to put that in there. Make sure it's gone all the way through. Give it a wiggle. Make sure that it's got enough space. Put my brad through. Oh, yes. And then I can just do that. Yeah. And then you just flip out the butterfly thing on the other side. And we're good. I'm going to do all of those and I'll be right back. Done, done, and done. So I'm just going to kind of put them around so that they're kind of in the right place. Again, I'm just eyeballing it. I need to just cut that down a little bit. I need to cut it down a little bit, take a smidge off it. That was enough of a smidge, literally, look at that. Just a little smidge, little smidge. I am loving this. This is how I envisioned it in my head. And I like it when things turn out how they seem in my head. Again, my expensive paper piercer, but we're going to put that there. Yes. Yes. What I need to do before I do anything else, before I put these down, is I need to put holes in here. Okay. Okay. Back to this. Boom. Boom. Yeah, I'm glad I did that so that I could see where the holes were. Adhesive. Let's get these suckers down. If I'd thought about it before I stuck this to the other paper, the other photo, I could have put the brad through the paper, but here we are. But here we are. And I've had these numbers in my stash. I think it was one of the One Little Word kits last year, the quarterly kits. I'm not sure which one, maybe the first one. So if you're looking for those, they were the Ali Edwards quarterly kits from last year. She does sometimes have those on her website. I love stuff like this. And you could easily make your own just with a punch and some Stays On ink or some vinyl stickers or some regular paper stickers. There's already stuck down dye, which is what I want to do more of. Get that kind of in the middle, just eyeball it. Just eyeballing. I am no about that life right now. Everybody down? Yes, see now you can just flip, turn them, and it's interactive. I love this. I love this. It turned out exactly how my brain planned it. I want it that way. And then we'll open it like that. Yeah, okay. And that is my one little word for May. Got the little tab here. I might put a little tab on there. Hang on 1 second. Yeah, it needs a little tab. I've got two sizes. These again are Ali's printable. Is that the size that I want? Or is that the size that I want? I think I want that one. I think I want the bigger one. I'm going to go with the bigger one. So all I do with these is I print them out if I've got a little bit of space on any of my projects. I just print out some stuff from the kit so that I've got it handy. All I do is just fold that over. This is the Corner Chomper by We Are Memory Keepers. I do try and put links to everything in the description. What I'm going to do is add some adhesive to this, but also I'm going to use my tiny attacher and staple it. Yes. So I got my little thing. Yes. 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 And yes. I am loving this month's project. I'm loving this one. This one was so much fun. so much fun. Heck yes. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, then give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.